Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, let's talk about distributive property. So please like and follow this video. Number one, we have 3x. So times x is 3x squared. Then copy minus 3x times negative 2 negative 6x. That is the final answer. Next, we have 2x times 2x 4x squared. Then copy minus, then 2x times negative 1 negative 2x. The answer is 4x squared minus 2x. Okay, we have number 3, 5x squared times 3x. We have 15x cubed. Then the other term, we have multiply 5x squared times negative 5 is negative 25x squared. Okay, that is the answer. Number 4, we have 4 times 5x. So we have 20x. Next is 4 times 4. We have 16. Okay, the answer is 20x plus 16. Okay, place the